Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a module within your course. Within the modules, you'll be able to start building assignments, discussions, and quizzes for the remote learning that we are all challenged to do right now. So the first thing I suggest doing is building a module. And to do that, you would select the course that you're working out of. This course here is the one that is synced to my Skyward. And so I use this to build my student courses, but I've also created this sample course for Heyman so that you can, so that I can use it as a tutorial course while showing you how to build and not interrupting my current students' lessons and activities and assignments that I've already built. But I'll use this assignment course, or excuse me, the sample course to work out of. And then I'll eventually transition into my Canvas course for my students so that you can also see what that looks like. So for now, when you are on your dashboard page like this, please click on your course. It'll be this one for you, or whichever one is assigned to your content with your name on it that was built for you at the beginning of the school year, if you haven't been using Canvas at all yet. But for now, I'm going to click on this one so that you can see. Oh, great, no internet. Let's fix that real quick and we'll connect and get that restarted. Hold on, I'm going to pause for just a minute. Okay, sorry about that. So I guess the internet is overloaded these days with so many people working online. So, okay, so click on the course that you're going to work out of. For us, it's going to be the sample course. And you will see what looks like my homepage on that my students see. Now, I've designed all of this. That's not necessarily something you need to necessarily do right now at this time, but I can show you how to do that if you would like a aesthetically pleasing Canvas page for your students to open. So right now I have all of my units hyperlinked. And so that's what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to create that module and to hyperlink it. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to modules over here. And you're going to create a new module right here. Click the add module button. And I'm going to call this one remote assignments. I'd already typed it in, so it's going to pop up for me, but you can just type in that remote assignments, or you can type in unit 1, 2, 3, or vocabulary, whatever your module is going to be. You'll just give it a title and then click add. Now, that module, when you add it, is at the bottom of your scroll. So all you do is see it's at the bottom. So all I'm going to do is click on this little 3 dots here, and I'm going to say move module, and it's going to ask me where, and I'm going to say move it to the top, and now it's right up here at the top for me. So now what I want to do is I'm going to leave it unpublished. This is the publish button. Let's leave it unpublished for now until you have it created. And so what I want to do now is add assignments inside this module. All right. And to do that, I will click the add button. But we're going to come back to that shortly. What I want to do is we're going to click on this like we're going to edit it. Wait, maybe that's not it. Yeah, we're going to edit it. And let me pause again. Okay, sorry about that. Sometimes I still have to think back to what I'm doing to make sure I'm doing it right. So what you've done now is created this module, and we've moved it to the top of the page so that you can access it. Now, what I want to show you how to do is how to access it from the home page so your students do not have any trouble navigating of where to find your assignments. So what we'll need to do next is to click on home, and we're going to go back to that home page that the students see when they log in. This is where I have my units all hyperlinked. And now what we're going to do is we're going to edit this to add our remote assignment module that we just added. So what you'll do is you'll go to edit here on this home page. And you'll see that this is where you would design that content to show for the home page. And here I have created those hyperlinks to the modules. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add the remote assignments. Let's spell that right, for my students. And so what you do then is you highlight this, like you're gonna copy or paste it. You're gonna highlight it like this, and then I'm gonna click over here on this button over here where it says modules. And do you see I have the remote assignments for Unit 5? I'm going to click on that. And what that has done is that has just now hyperlinked that for me. So I will click save. And once it goes back to this page now, my students will see their regular Unit 5, and then they'll see the remote assignments that I have created for them. I'm going to keep that here in Unit 5 because that's what we're still currently working out of in this 5th 6 weeks. So that is how to create a module and to remote link it to, or hyperlink it to your home page. If you want to call it something besides remote assignments, that's up to you. And for now, we'll stop here. And I will continue with the next video on how to create assignments within those modules.